Bonjour mes amis. Hi friends. Now in this tutorial what I will do is that I will create a script that will remove or delete all the files, all the folders or all the directories. So what it will do is that it will delete them, and it will delete them permanently. So it won't send them to the trash and we can't retrieve them. So in here what I will do is that I will open up my terminal, my PyCharm, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is that importing the OS module. Once I do that, I will create a for loop for dir name and os.listdir, and then I will say something like specify the location. So it is in users MA Academy, and then it is in my documents and dir1. So I will be working on the contents of this directory on my if I go to my this documents directory on dir1, you can see that there are two directories, test dir1 and test dir2. So what I want is that I want to delete both of these directories. Now in here I'm creating a for loop, and I'm creating this for dir name in this directory, in this location. So for every item in that location, we are creating this dir name. And what we do after that is that we will change our directory. So os.change dir, again the same location above, users MA Academy, documents dir1. So why do we have to change our directory? Because if you don't, then currently it will work only on all those files that are all those directories that are in my current directory where this myscript.py file resides. So we want to work with this directory. We want to delete the contents of this directory. So what we have to do is we have to change to that directory. What it does is that it changes to that directory. After that, what we do is that we are creating an if statement. So what this statement does is that it checks os.path.sdir. So so in here I'm using the path and the sdir function of the OS module, which I imported in here, and then I'm passing in the name, the dir name, which I created in this for loop, this one. So I'm checking this, is this path that is given to me a directory or not, because I don't want, in here if you can see that there is this file, I don't want to remove this file, I only want to remove the directories. So what this is if statement does is that it checks whether that file is those contents that it sees, is it a directory or not. So if it is a directory, what we want to do is that os.rm dir, and then we type in dir name. So in here what it does is that it deletes it. So we can also add a print functionality like print dir name. So after you delete them, also print their names. So let's run this. In here you can see that it prints test dir1, test dir2. So what it does is that it should have deleted it by now. So once we go in there, we can see that both of them are deleted. So this is how you can delete directories or folders. You don't have to specify this full print statement, but I did it just to see that what files are being deleted. So you don't have to do it, it's not necessary. If you want to check whether this the folders or which folders you have deleted, just add the print, otherwise you don't have to. So this is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, suggestions, or recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.